How to log in to iQIYI account. So if you want to log into your iQIYI account, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you've made sure, now you need to open up your iQIYI application. So make sure to download. And once you've downloaded, open up the application. Once you've opened, now you can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. And then you can simply tap on login or sign up, which will take you to the login page. So if you already have saved your account, then you can proceed with your email address. Or if you don't have that, go for switch account, which is on the bottom of your screen. And then choose login with password, login with SMS or Google or Facebook. Or you can also use TikTok. So I'll be choosing login with Google and then choose your Google account. Now click on agree. And if you have not completed your profile, you need to complete your profile, or you can simply skip this part. And that's it. That's how you can log into your iQIYI account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.